What's up, dealers, sales guys? Christian Estrup here. I'm in a brand new floor plan. It's our 3400 SB. This one hasn't been done before, guys. SB stands for side bunk. It's got a bunk room back here. It's got a big rear kitchen. Jared, Joe, I added some space here in the living area, and I think you're really gonna like it. We pushed this wall back some, really opened up the coach. What makes this floor plan awesome? Again, it's got it all, really. It's got a bed slide up front. It's got a side bunk so you can put the kids inside there. Mom and dad get a really big bedroom. Trifold sofa here. 5-person dinette here. It does come with an ottoman that'll add 2 more seats to sit down and eat. So you can get 7 people to sit down here and eat pretty comfortably. 50-inch smart TV. We got the nice LED light casting down. Fireplace. Come back here. This is really where it gets cool. Beautiful, beautiful campsite kitchen. All right, we got the windows that wrap around, the nice shelf, the LED lights casting down, solid surface countertops, big sink, lots of counter space too, lots of great storage. It's got the great oven that I always talk about. It's the electric oven. It is residential. It does your air frying. It's your microwave. It's bigger than everybody else's, and it's awesome too. The windows really add back here, guys. I'm telling you, it feels great. And this is a bunkhouse. That's what really makes this floor plan unique. And I can tell you, and our customers are searching this out online. I get more leads on this floor plan than anything else. People want to come see this, you guys. Nick, go ahead and show them the pantry in here. Great floor-to-ceiling pantry. The storage is really dialed in on this unit. SB stands for side bunk. Let's go check it out. So it's a nice room in here. This is a place where the kids can sleep. We actually put a railing up here so Junior doesn't fall off. Versa sofa down below that folds out to make a bed that 2 kiddos can sleep on very easily. This comes up so that the kids can sit here, watch TV, and then we have some storage back here as well. This is the side bunk. It's just some extra sleeping area for you. Same setup, I do it every time, but here's the bathroom. Shower door that cleans itself, silver ions in the screen, so never mold or mildew. Porcelain toilet, great storage here. A bank of drawers, storage underneath the sink, a medicine cabinet where you can actually put stuff behind there. Great storage in this unit. But what separates it? This right here. Huge master bedroom. Fireplace. Big window. New big window here in the slide out. Storage up front. You got a closet. You got extra storage in here. King bed. Washer dryer prep. It's got shelves in there. You got extra storage there. There's a his and a her closet. This master bedroom really separates this. Optional 3 air conditioners in this one as well. Really cool floor plan. Like I said, there's a lot of excitement generated on this one. We made some changes in it so that it's a little bit more spaced out. Really, really excited about this one. Come check it out. 3400 SB.